I can think of three main points: process, cost, and culture. Process, again, it's not easy to commit employment termination in Indonesia. The process are strictly regulated. The timeline is regulated. There are extensive procedures, not to mention if there's some sort of objection from the employees, it needs to be settled before the termination can be finalized. And therefore, the process itself can take very long time. Aside from that, the second would be the cost, right? The cost, again, severance package is mandatory in Indonesia. Whether you are a permanent or non-permanent employee, you'll be entitled to some sort of severance packages. The amount, the formula might be different between the permanent and non-permanent employee, but in any scenario, you'll be the employee. When I say you, I mean the employee would be entitled to some sort of a payment, whether through multipliers, which applies specifically for a permanent employee, or some sort of compensation packages when it comes to non-permanent employees. Third, I think this is a bit sensitive because we're talking about culture. Employment affairs is I think it's a social dimension in Indonesia. So when it comes to employment disputes, particularly when it comes to employment relationship, more often than not, I would always advise my client that you need to handle them delicately and respectfully. Otherwise, everything can escalate very quickly. I mean, when you heard a sentiment of local employees, they tend to go to, we're just gonna go to the port. And it's not about getting the compensation that they want. Sometimes the ego plays a part. So I would say to the client, when you want to handle HR affairs, employment affairs, employment termination, you need to take into the culture. You need to take culture into the consideration, and yes, make sure you handle it delicately to avoid any unexpected outcome.